everybody, we're here with Zandile and we are going to show you the second half of your slow towel routine. Let's take it from where you ended off with Marissa and Leandri. So you finished with your left leg bent and your right leg pointing to the side. You're going to take your right foot and you're going to step forward with it with your toe leading. In other words, you're pointing your toe. You're going to transfer your weight and stand on that front leg. Here, you're going to take your right arm and you're going to close it into your belly button so that you're turning the correct way and transfer your weight onto that foot. We repeat the exact same move. So it's the same leg, the same turn, everything except we're facing a different way in the room. So take your right leg, it comes through, you lead with it, you step, pointed toe, transfer your weight onto it, pick up your right arm, close it to your belly button and turn. The tricky part about this step is it's done in 2 counts. 1 for the step, 2 for the turn. So it does get a little bit tricky because now all of a sudden, even though it says slow style, you now got a fast move happening in it and you're also changing direction in the room. So really, really concentrate on this one because what tends to happen is people tend to turn the wrong way. We're here and lead with your toes, transfer your weight, right hand, close your belly button. Transfer your weight. Step, point your toe. Transfer your weight. Right hand and close to your belly button. Okay, now that arm that we're using is just assistance so that you know which way to turn. It's not the arm you're going to use in the routine. Once you've got that with the arm, try and take the arm away like we're going to do now. So we're here and we step forward, toes, transfer and turn. Transfer your weight. Step again. Transfer your weight, turn, and transfer your weight. We're going to do that a little bit quicker because I did that in slow motion now to what the music will actually be, even though it's still slow style music. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to go 1, turn, 2, 3, turn, 4. From here, we're going to step to the side and we're going to tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. When stepping to the side, people think, yeah, okay, I'm just stepping to the side, relatively easy. Yeah, it is. But how do we step to the side making it look good? Is we push. So if we're here, we've just finished, da, 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 da. I'm stepping to that side, which is my right, which means I'm going to propel myself there with the left foot and tap. Now, put pressure into your right foot and propel yourself left and tap. Now, it just makes a very, very small difference when you're dancing. It makes it look strong, makes it look finished. If you're not doing the push right now, that's okay. We are going to bring it in quite a bit later on in the weeks of slow style. So if you can get it by the end of slow style, your 5 weeks that we've got, you'll be styling. Very nice. Okay, so let's go again. We're going to push, push, tap, push, tap. Now, take your left arm, close your belly button, and you're only doing what I call a 15-minute turn, which is a quarter turn on a clock, okay? We're going to go to our right. We're going to step 1, 2, 3, left arm up, and you're going to turn, close your arm to your belly button, and tap. Okay, so the secret here is tap that foot, because now you're telling your brain, we're going to use that foot again. Let's just do that again. So if we're here, we're going to step right. 1, 2, 3. All your weight is on your right foot. Lift up your left arm. Close to your belly button. Tap. And you can relax your arm. Again, it's just a teaching tool. That's not your actual arm. And we're just going to make it really, really small. And step together. Step. Tap to finish. Let's see. Small, so that you don't go out the frame, and go step together, step, tap. All right, we'll start that a little bit lower down. Okay, so come right down. So we're here, and 1, 2, 3. Weight on your right leg, left arm close to your belly button, tap. Repeat, step together, step, and now you can close because that is the end of the routine, and you would start with your painting the floor again. Let's recap that and count it. We're here. Let's go right forward. 5, 6, 7, step. 1, turn, 2, 3, turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it with some music. Well done, guys. Sandile is going to dance it with a bit of music. I'm going to count her in and count her through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, as easy as that. Okay, do you see the nice footwork? It's slow, but we obviously are still precise with our beats. Okay, let's go. I'm not going to count it now, I'm just going to count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, very good. Let's practice that and we'll move to the arms shortly. Well,